Hello everyone and welcome. I'm really glad to see you again. Today's lesson consists of happy birthday, we had a good time, saying years, was were, past simple, regular and irregular verbs, questions and negatives, sports and leisure. Saying years, yillarni aytish. 1841, 1841. 1916, 1916. 2000, 2000. 2008, 2008. 2015, 2015. Now pause the video and practice saying the years. Here you can check your answers. Keling endi birgalikda bugungi darsimizni grammatik ko'nikmasi bilan tanishib chiqamiz. I am hozirgi zamon shakli, I was o'tgan zamon shakli. You are hozirgi zamon shakli, you were o'tgan zamon shakli. He is, she is, it is hozirgi zamon shakllari. He was, she was, it was o'tgan zamon shakllari. We are hozirgi zamon shakli, we were o'tgan zamon shakli. They are hozirgi zamon shakli, they were o'tgan zamon shakli. Now pause the video and read about her family and answer the questions. Now let's check your answers together. My name is Madina. Mening ismim Madina. I like my name. Men ismimni yaxshi ko'raman. I was born in 1987. Men 1987-yilda tug'ilganman. My two brothers are Ravshan and Jasur. Mening ikkita ukam Ravshan va Jasur. Ravshan was born in 1992 and Jasur 1 year later in 1993. Ravshan 1992-yilda tug'ilgan. Jasur 1 yil keyin 1993-yilda tug'ilgan. They are so good. Ular juda yaxshi. My little sister is Malika. Mening kichkina singlim Malika. She's a nice girl. U yaxshi qiz. She was born in 1999. U 1999-yilda tug'ilgan. Mom and dad are Nodira and Akbar. Oyim va dadam Nodira va Akbar. My mom was born in 1961 and my dad was born in 1961 too. Mening oyim 1961-yilda tug'ilgan. Dadam ham shu yilda tug'ilgan. And my grandmother was born in 1932. Va mening buvim 1932-yilda tug'ilgan. Her name is Yulduz. Uning ismi Yulduz. I think it's a beautiful name. O'ylashimcha u chiroyli ism. Keling endi savollarga javoblaringizni tekshiramiz. Birinchi savol. Who is Malika? Malika kim? She is Madina's sister. U Madinaning singlisi. Ikkinchi savol. When was she born? U qachon tug'ilgan? In 1999. 1999-yilda. 3-savol. Who are Nodira and Akbar? Nodira va Akbar kim? They are Madina's parents. Ular Madinaning ota-onasi. 4-savol. When were they born? Ular qachon tug'ilgan? In 1961. 1961-yilda. 5-savol. Who is Yulduz? Yulduz kim? She is Madina's grandmother. U Madinaning buvisi. 6-savol. When was she born? U qachon tug'ilgan? In 1932. 1932-yilda. 7-savol. Who are Ravshan and Jasur? Ravshan va Jasur kim? They are Madina's brother. Ular Madinaning ukalari. 8-savol. When were they born? Ular qachon tug'ilgan? In 1992 and 1993. 1992 va 1993-yillarda. Negatives. Inkor. Birinchisi. He was a painter. U rassom edi. No, he wasn't. Yo'q, u rassom emasdi. Wasn't. Was notning qisqartirilgan shakli. Ikkinchi misol. They were American. Ular amerikalik edi. No, they weren't. Were notning qisqartirilgan shakli. Now pause the video and complete the sentences with was, wasn't, were, and weren't. Here you can check your answers. Pause the video and put the past forms of the verbs next to the present ones. Here you can check your answers. Now pause the video and read the story. Complete it with verbs below. Here you can check your work. Grammar spot. Grammatik ko'nikma. First one. Write the past simple of these regular verbs. Birinchisi, quyidagi to'g'ri fe'llarni o'tgan zamon shaklini yozing. Work, worked. Watch, watched. Cook, cooked. Second one. Write the past simple of these regular verbs. Ikkinchisi, ushbu to'g'ri fe'llarni o'tgan zamon shaklini yozing. Visit, visited. Want, wanted. Hate, hated. Third one. The past simple is the same in all persons. O'tgan zamonning hamma inson uchun bir xil bo'lgan shakli. I, you, he, she, it, we, they worked. Choose the things in the list you did or did not yesterday. Kecha qilgan ishlaringizni belgilab chiqing. Grammar spot. Grammatik ko'nikma. Past simple questions and negative forms. O'tgan zamon savollari va inkor shakli. Birinchisi. We make the questions and negatives with did and didn't in all person. Savollar va inkor shaklini did va didn't bilan barcha insonlar uchun yasaymiz. For example, misol uchun, did you get up early? Erta uyg'ondingizmi? Yes, I did. Ha, erta uyg'ondim. Inkor shaklida, we didn't go to work. Didn't, did notning qisqartirilgan shakli. Ikkinchisi, we use do, does in the present simple. Biz do bilan doesni hozirgi zamonda ishlatamiz. What do you do every morning? Har kuni tongda nima qilasan? She doesn't play tennis last Sunday. U o'tgan yakshanba kuni tennis o'ynamadi. Now pause the video and complete the questions from the verbs in bracket. Here you can check your work. Now pause the video and make questions with date. Here you can check your work. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.